official publication, the Philomena, so on and so forth. But the word zeal is actually more used in the legal world or in lawyers. Gusto niyo maging lawyer or hindi? In the legal world, it goes deeper than a word. It is a professional obligation. For lawyers, the word zeal is required for them to represent their clients with everything that they have within the rules. So imagine if this zealous advocacy is implemented in each of our lives. So as college freshmen, sorry mga manong and manong, I will be focusing on our freshmen now. So as college freshmen, you are entitled in taking care of your own self. Your time, your education, your well-being, wala ikaw mo sa may mabasol sinabi, but yourselves. No matter how messed up any system is, if you know how to manage your time, your education, and your well-being, you should be the one advocating for them. And the way you show up here in Philomena, the way you study, the way you manage your energy or how you solve your problems, kapatid ako sa word na bare minimum. And it is not only, I'm not only applying this in romantical situations. In everything that we do, there is always a bare minimum. So it is up to you, college freshmen, kung aim nyo maging dean's lister, and I tell you, it's not going to be easy. Na will you be doing the bare minimum when it comes to your studies, or will you exert with great energy or enthusiasm to whatever objective or course you have? Okay? And kasi sometimes, when we do zealous things, we do it for the sake of others. For our friends, for our families, for our works. Pinapakita na kaya kita. And there's nothing wrong with that. The only problem is, we advocate for other people sometimes, but we forget of ourselves. I want you to be selfless, but not to the point that you will be neglecting your own selves. Because, again, being zealous or having zeal doesn't mean you're working 24/7, being perfect. Being perfect or being everywhere, everything, all at once. Okay? So, how do you apply being zeal? Ano na, matapos na. Una-una, kay Cass kita, ano ganyan ni Sir Leo, na nandirin may bagbaan, di ba? But I want you to speak always with substance. Speak with purpose. How? Don't just go with the crowd. Always challenge the status quo. Defend your own principles and beliefs in life, no matter how many people may disapprove of it. Okay? But, however, learn to listen also. Learn to challenge and build arguments that matter. Next, how do we act with zeal? Being zealous means you have genuine intention, and pure vigor in any career or objective that you want to pursue. So, sinasabi ko talaga freshman, choose your circle of friends wisely. They will make or break you up until you graduate. Okay? Yes, no? Okay? No? Choose your classes. Choose your goals wisely. Choose your battles wisely. No? Because if that means something to you and it's worth it, go. Because they are worth it. And last but not the least is advocate for yourself. If you're struggling, alam ko about life, but speak up. If you need rest, pahuway, please. Pamatiin mo lawas if you need rest. No? Zeal isn't reckless, it's strategic, consistent, and grounded. And since we're in a Christ-centered institution, I want to leave with you a verse found in Matthew 5 verse 44. God said to love your enemies. That's why I love myself, because there is no greater enemy that I have but myself. You got 4 years to shape the foundation of your adult life. Don't drift. Don't just survive. I want you to live your college life with zeal. Thank you very much.